There are some annoying bugs in Limbus Company. In this guide we will talk about a cutscene and dungeon bug and present a fix. Surprisingly, the fix involves changing your device's settings to mimic an American setup. First, open your device settings and change the language to English. You might need to download a language pack if you don't have one. Next, switch your region to the United States and set your time zone to Central Time, US and Canada. Restart your device afterward. Now run the game. This simple tweak should resolve both the cutscene and dungeon bugs, though the reason behind it remains a mystery. If the fix doesn't work or you prefer not to change your settings, there's a workaround for the cutscene bug. Open the menu in the top right corner and use the skip button to move to the tutorial fight. While you'll miss some plot details, this method ensures you can still learn the game's mechanics without getting stuck. Don't let bugs ruin your gaming experience. Dive back into Limbus Company and enjoy the adventure. Happy gaming!